But I'm certain you'll have a wonderful flight. And really, really quite lovely. Yes, I know exactly what I'm doing. Don't you worry about me.
The following is a gate change announcement for Startours Flight 1129 non-stop Starspeeder service to...
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat.
Move right on time. Sit in the middle.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Startours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us? We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it! Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C-3PO.
We know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
Someone could get hurt! Let's me out of... Thrusters, are they important?
Startours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourself! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back!
Yoda, on your ship, one load to our cause you carry.
The spy.
Deliver them you must, or all will be lost. To your RT unit, coordinates I will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid we've all just joined the Rebel Alliance. Oh no! Where are we going?
Vessel, identify yourself or be destroyed.
Destroyed?
Follow us down to the river.
Thank the Vader! Send out the distress signal! Look out, Otto! We nearly hit that poor Gungan.
Startours, follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We are under attack! Good luck, Startours. Use them on your own now.
On our own? Otto, do something! And I thought I hated space travel. Wait! What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport. And I did not give you permission to come aboard. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.